Okay, good morning guys. Today I'm gonna cook or make some tempura and squid roll in an oyster sauce. It's very simple, okay? So we need black pepper, salt, soy sauce, oyster sauce, a little water, and then the squid roll, tempura, garlic, onion, spring onion. Do it the frying of the squid roll first, and after this one sit aside. Okay guys, so it's done. So we're gonna sit aside first. Karon guys, ito na i-add ang tempura guys. Okay guys, so it's done. Okay, we're gonna saute the garlic. And then the onions. Add soy sauce, oyster sauce, then the tempura. Don't need water. I'm good with this one, so we are not going to put water. Okay, we're gonna add this one. Okay, so it's done. Our squid roll and tempura in oyster sauce. Okay guys. Okay, I'm going to taste. I'm gonna get up. Oh, that one is super yummy. Okay guys, we're gonna taste it. I'm going to taste it. Okay. It's good, huh? It's yummy guys. So that's I'm gonna off the heat. So that's our roll and tempura in an oyster sauce. It's yummy. So tempura and squid roll in an oyster sauce. It's super yummy. Thank you for watching, and please hit like, follow, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, D Bro Ja, to my Instagram, D_bro_ja, and to my TikTok at The Cooking Show, and to my Facebook page, The Cooking Show, and to my personal blog, Delia Valentine. To all my supporters and non-supporters, thank you for watching.